Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So alright, one of the last videos I showed you how to find the name of the database. Well, then we learned how to then search inside of that with a more specific column. So now that we're getting a little bit more advanced, now I need to really show you, because we need to talk about this. So you have a database, then inside the database are tables, then inside those tables are columns and rows. So you also need to have in your toolkit of how to find a table inside the table's name inside a database. So alright, let's go ahead and do this for the SQL language. So okay, so let's just get into it. So we need to bring in sqlite 3. So if you guys are new here, thanks for joining us. Please hit that subscribe and notification bell, because I don't want you getting behind or getting overwhelmed. So okay, we have this. Here's our database. Here's our cursor object. We know all about this. So now here's something new. We're going to be learning a couple of new things here. There's one that is very important, and we're going to start. I was on the fence about doing it, but I just thought we'd do it in this order. So okay, we know our select statement, we know our from. Now here, and we've seen type before. So okay, SQLite master, then we want the name, and then this is where we do where. So we have a type equals table. So just like I was saying, we have the database, then inside the databases we have tables, then inside the table we have rows and columns. So this is how this works. So now, how do we know how to get everything that is in our cursor object? Boom. So if you look really close, it's a list. It's a tuple inside a list. So right now, it's just one. We haven't added. So we're going to be getting very sophisticated very quickly with databases and tables, because we're gonna connect to, we're gonna have more than one, so we don't have to mess with a ton of things. But you'll see very, very soon. So please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests below. You guys have been doing an awesome job keeping me on my toes, filling in any gaps that we have, doing some deep dives. Just absolutely blown away and so appreciative. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.